Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video of Gmail series, we will see how to create an email list in Gmail. So to create an email list in Gmail, first of all you have to open your Gmail account, and after that just tap on here and go to contacts. Now in this page I will just create my email list. Okay, so I will just scroll down and I will select this contact, and after selecting your contacts you just have to click on this label. Okay, and here you can see I have already created a label, so I will just create a new label here. So here you can see that this label is created. I just want to send same emails to these 3 different email addresses. Okay, so you can add more members in this group. Now let's see how it works. Just go back to your Gmail account and just click on this home post, and here you just have to write example. Okay, so this was our label and this is our email list. Okay, after that you can just write your email here and you can send this email to these 3 different contacts. So this is how you can create an email list in Gmail. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.